what's up guys? We're just waiting on a childminder to get Melanie. Oh, you got a bad cough. She slept all night though, so which is good, and we put Vicks on her feet. So hopefully she gets better soon. There's a Calpol in the bag for the childminder to give her if she's a bit miserable. What happened? What happened? You're okay. You're okay. Say hello. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. It is nice to see you here. Yay! Good girl. One little finger, one little finger, one little finger. Tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling. Oh, bad cough. So we're just waiting on the childminder guys, and then me and Manny's gonna go to the bus stop and we're gonna go to uni and tech. I have a long day ahead of me. Today is my busy day. But I studied loads yesterday, so I know my stuff today, which is good, and have it printed off. There she is now, Manny. Love you, me. Love you so much. Oh. Guys, that's us leaving now. We're gonna rush to the bus stop because it's already 1:45. So we gotta get going. I think Manny's planning on going dairy free because he has like a dairy issue. His tummy gets sore. So he's gonna try it and see how he gets on. So we'll see when we get to the bus stop or something. Right guys, that's me. Switched to my phone now to vlog because my camera's only got one bar, so it's going to die on me anyway. So I may as well just switch this one now. I'm just rushing to class now because it's 9:10. Gotta be there for 1:15. Hi guys! So I'm just halfway through the day now. I'm in Tanya's class. That's 3 hours long. We have a 10-minute break right now. But I'm just going to go to the bathroom. I'm really busting to pee. Then I'm going to go back to class. It's going really well. We're like doing wee icebreakers and just like a basic intro into the class, like what we're going to be doing and stuff. So this is basically taking a lot of notes and just focusing on what she's actually saying. But it's going pretty good. I'm enjoying it. Hello! Right, so I'm finished now and I'm rushing to the bus stop because it's raining. Well, it's mizzling, but it's starting to get heavy. You can feel it getting heavier. So I'll see you when I get in because I don't want to get my phone wet. Right guys, I'm back home now and I'm using our main camera and I just made myself some food. All vegan, you know the drill by now. And I'm going to pick Melanie up in the next half hour. So after I eat this I'm going to text Grandad and we're going to go get Ninu. The childminder said she'd give her more Calpol today. So she must be a wee bit unsettled. We'll see when she gets in, but she said she fell asleep there, so hopefully she's nice and rested when she comes in. If not, I'll let her go to sleep again. But for now I'm going to eat this and then I'll see when we get Melanie. Melanie's home! Hi darling! Moo! Animals? Bah! Dog? Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, meow. Okay.
Doggy.
Doggy.
Yeah.
Meow. Cat.
Yeah.
Can you say cat?
No.
No.
Doggy.
Okay, you're a doggy person. Hi guys, so Michelle says she got on grand,
No.
but she had a wee cough all day.
Yeah.
So as I said, she gave her Calpol and Melanie had a wee nap, didn't he? And she said that she was drinking a lot of fluids, which is good, and she was eating a lot, which is good. So I have the dinner on now. I'm having vegetable curry. I'm really hungry. That's what I've noticed since becoming a vegan. You sort of be like your metabolism burns through the food quicker, so you be hungrier quicker. But I don't mind anyway. I'm always hungry anyway, so it doesn't really make a difference. But I have noticed that it's like shorter intervals. Like, you seen that I had a sandwich there. What time was that? That was like 4:15, and it's 6 o'clock now, and I'm feeling hungry again. So, but I'm gonna be making a big vegetable curry. So much veg is going in here. Just ram it all in. And I'm gonna put kale in there too, just for some iron, extra iron. That reminds me, I need to take some vitamin B12. But Manny's working. He went straight to work after class, so I miss him. It's really weird. I hate when he's working. It's so annoying, because he literally goes from tech straight over to work. So I'll not see him now till like 12 o'clock or something. But that's pretty much it for now. After I eat dinner, I'm gonna edit a good bit and then upload as many as I can. Because as you all know the drill with uni and stuff, it's a bit difficult to edit because there's so much other things that I need to do. Like yesterday I spent 3 hours studying that script. So usually I would have spent the 3 hours editing, but it needed to be done because we had a class today on that, so, and there's a few other things I need to download actually. We're only in an hour tomorrow. That's good. And then I'm going to come home and study some more.
I like a bit of mystery too. What's going on under her double coat? Robert and his imagination are in London to spend the day in Archie.
Right guys, I'll chat to you when the dinner is made and I'll tell you how it tastes. Right, so this is what we have so far. All my veggies. And I'm going to put these on next. Rice noodle, I'm just waiting on the kettle to boil. And then they'll take about 5 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes. So that's just on simmer now. And I can't wait to eat it. Bish, bash, bosh. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Mmm, food. Too warm? Blow. Good girl. Guys, I'm so happy. So I got a video edited and exported, uploaded to YouTube, and now one's exporting. Ooh, go on me. Go on me. And I done all the dishes. Be proud. Be proud. Especially when Melanie is feeling a wee bit achy, a wee bit cranky. So, oh my god. No! That's Daddy's shell, please. No! Daddy would be so mad. So, especially with, oh, Melanie, don't, I'm exporting. Especially with her being a bit crabby, with being sick. So, I got a good bit done, and now I am gonna go onto the student portal. We got an email from Matt. Melanie, go and be careful, please. We got an email from Matt saying about coming in tomorrow, and there's like a file attached to it, so I want to read it and see what it is. I don't want to miss anything. Student portal Maggie. Right guys, that's Melanie all bath now, aren't she? You're gonna go to bed? Yes, you enjoyed your bath? She's getting a bit cranky now, guys, you know. Right, guys, so I'm going to end the vlog there. I hope you enjoyed watching today. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. You ready? And smash the subscribe button. It is completely free. Don't forget to comment down below, share with your friends and family. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!